Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about LR parsing algorithm. Welcome again, and in this section we are learning this LR parsing algorithm, and I have kept the model here so that we can refer this model and action taken by the parser. So as I told you, there is a two very important action, and these actions are nothing but shift S and reduce. Okay, so let me read it out. Shift the next input symbol and the state S onto the stack. Okay, so shifting is what? Shift the next input symbol and the state S on the stack. So here the model says that S0, X1, S1, XM, SM, AI plus 1. Okay, so now this is the state that it is mentioning, that up to here is in the stack, and AI plus 1, AN is on the input tape. AI plus 1 up to AN is in the input tape. So what will happen here in this case is when we'll perform the shift action, then this AI will be put into on the top of the stack. So what will be there in this case? It will become S0, X1, S1, XM, SM. Okay, now this AI, and where AI is coming from? AI is coming from the input. Okay, this is a A1 AI. Okay, this one is AI. This AI is coming from this place. AI will be in the stack and it will go to the new state, that is S. Okay, so that we call it as a shift action. What is that S state? That is very subjective. When we'll solve the question, we will talk about it, what exactly S is. So, and remaining part, AI plus 1 plus AN dollar is in the, it will remain in the input tape. So shifting means we'll put the symbol in where? We'll put the symbol in the stack and we'll go to the new state. Reduce is a bit complicated operation where Rn, where n is the number of n is the production number. So you recall that we have already numbered some production. So what we have to do is we have to, whenever there is a reduction, okay, suppose the reduction is A derive beta, that is the reduction. Okay, so what we need to do, we have to perform pop operation, and we have to perform pop 2 times beta. So if this is the reduction, dot is at the end, we have to perform pop operation, and that is 2 times of beta. For example, if A derive small a capital A dot is the reduction, then size number of term or this number of symbol here is equal to 2. So we will pop 4 times. Okay, 4 times popping. Okay, so 4 times popping will do, and then we will push A. Okay, so we'll do do beta times popping, and then we will push A. What is A is coming from? For A derive beta dot. So A is on where? A is on the left hand side of the production. So we have to pop beta 2 times beta, and then we have to push A, and then we have to write S, where S is equal to go to SM and A. Okay, whatever the reduction state, the state will be there, and that will go to A. Okay, so that is written over here in this case as 2 times popping. So we'll reach some R production that we are going to pop here, that is written as R number. So SM minus XM minus R, and the new state is SM minus R and A, and we are going into a new state. So we have to pop 2 times of beta, and which is here symbolically or as a variable written as R. So that will become XM to XM minus R. And then we'll go to a new state here, and that is then SM minus R is a new state. Then we'll push A into the stack, and then we'll go to a new state. Output of the production reduce. Okay, so I can feel that you can sense here that this is not a very straightforward operation. but when I'll explain you by the example, this will looks very easy. Symbolically or in algorithms, we use symbols, equations, and some generalized formula, and that makes the thing complicated. But don't worry here. Let me just explain you the example, and you will find it very easy. For the time being, I'll say only one thing, that reduction is a three-step process. Okay, so it's a three-step process. Three-step process. And among the first step is pop, as it says, pop 2 times beta to an elements. Second is push capital A. What is capital A? On the left hand side, for A derive beta, it is on the left hand side of the production. And third is go to new state. Okay, don't if you are just confused with the symbolic notations xm, x minus r, a, and then s, forget about it. Just remember the reduction is a three-step process. And what is the step? Pop twice number of items, push whatever on the left hand side, and then we have to go to a new state. So that we can refer from this go to table actually. Okay, so that is an algorithm. What should I do next is I should give you a proper example for how does this LR parsing algorithm works. Okay, so let's see an example that how actually this LR parsing algorithm works. So thank you.